Hey everyone, so as you can now see, everything works again. It's been cleaned and with alcoholic cleaner, so some 100% isopropyl alcohol. I dumped it in a small container and took these all off, and then I soaked them for a bit in the alcohol cleaner. As well as the new gear, I cleaned that one too. This is the new gear C just here, and it works pretty nicely. And then cleaned all the little all the little, I don't know what you'd call them, the things the gears sit on. And I greased them up with some diuretic grease. And I replaced the belt as well. So this thing should now work really well. Just got to get it all back together again. And as you can see, there's all just a few bits and pieces, but it's nothing crazy. Just got to put it back together. So let's see if it works.